welcome back to Cooking with Veronica. Today I'm going to share with you another Brazilian recipe. It's going to be coxinha. It's kind of a Brazilian chicken croquette. Here are the ingredients for the filling. 500 grams of chicken breast, half onion, 3 tablespoons of soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of tomato sauce, pepper and salt to your taste, and I'm going to use the Brazilian pepper called pimenta malagueta. Garlic and onion powder also to your taste. Ingredients for the dough: 500 milliliters of the water we are going to cook the chicken, 50 grams of butter, 1 teaspoon of salt, 250 grams of all-purpose flour, 5 tablespoons of breadcrumbs, and oil to deep fry it. Put the chicken, salt, pepper, onion, garlic and onion powder in a pressure cooker. Add water until you cover the chicken and cook it in medium heat. Once the pressure is coming out, let it cook for 20 minutes. Turn off and let the pressure get out. With a strainer, separate the water from the chicken. Don't forget that we'll use the water for the dough. Put the chicken back in a pressure cooker and shake the cooker so it will shred the chicken. You don't need to do it by hand. Then separate the shredded chicken in a bowl and add the tomato sauce and the soy sauce and mix a bit. Put in a pot the water we separated, then butter and salt. Once it starts boiling and the butter melted, put it in a low heat and add the flour. Keep mixing it until you remove all the flour from the bottom and it is homogeneous. Put it in a smooth surface and let it cool down. When it cools down enough to make the balls in your hands, knead the dough a bit. Start making a ball and flatten it in your hand. Then with a spoon, add the filling and close it in this shape. Let it separate and repeat it until you finish the dough. Now you pass one by one into cold water and then in the breadcrumbs. Once we finish this process, we'll deep fry in a hot oil. That's it. I hope you guys enjoyed the video today. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and let me know in the comments if you tried this at home and how it went. And I will see you next Thursday.